Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain how you can move funds from your Affirm account to your personal bank account. To begin, sign into your Affirm account and open the main dashboard. From there, you're going to locate the option for connecting a bank account, which is usually available near the upper section of the screen. Selecting it will open the setup page where you can manage your payout information. In some cases, Affirm may also allow you to send a request to another person for banking details by using an invite or notification feature if the account information isn't available yet. And once you enter the bank setup area, you may see an estimate showing the amount eligible for transfer after your account is connected. Keep in mind that these figures are typically refreshed once per day, so the displayed balance may not always match the exact payout total in time. If you have pending funds waiting to be released, Affirm may send you an email asking you to finish linking your bank account. Inside that message, there's usually a button or link that takes you directly to the bank connection page. On the next screen, you're going to type in your banking information, including your routing number and account number, then submit the details to continue. After everything is verified, you should receive a confirmation message letting you know the transfer process has started. And once your bank account has been successfully linked, eligible payouts can then be deposited directly into your account according to Affirm's processing timeline. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.